Storm's Check channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 13 mini for Verizon Prepaid. Currently it is out of stock right now. All storage options are out of stock, so that sucks, but I'm still going to do the video anyway. So they have the 3 storage options for the 13 mini here. They got the 128 gigs, which is $6.99, $99. The 256 gigabyte version is $7.99.99. Then the 512 gigabyte version is $9.99.99. No contracts, of course, and all colors are out of stock. So yeah, hopefully when this video goes live, hopefully it'll be in stock, but we'll have to wait and see. So yeah, this is the iPhone 13 mini. It looks like the iPhone 12 mini from last year. You guys can see the front and back of the phone now. You guys have a naturally front-facing camera, earpiece, power button on the right side of the phone. The left side of the phone will have your volume keys and your alert switch. On the back of the iPhone 13 mini is your dual camera setup along with your camera flash. And this is the pink option that they are showing here. Kind of looks white here, but you know. This front of the phone there. Front and back. There's the back of the phone, like I said, dual cameras. Camera flash right there. Front and back again. It has 5 colors that they got here. They got the pink, blue, midnight color, red, and starlight color there. So yeah, they got the 5 colors there that are shown, but none of them are in stock right now. Up to it says up to 17 hours video playback time, 13 hours of video playback streaming, audio playback up to 55 hours. Dual 12 megapixel cameras, that's a wide angle and a ultra wide camera lens on the rear. 2.53 inches in width, 5.18 inches in height there. Alright. Says iPhone 13 mini, the most advanced dual camera system ever on iPhone. Lightning fast A15 bionic chip. A leap in battery life, durable design, super fast 5G, and a brighter Super Retina XDR display. Alright. It says here super bright, super colorful, super sharp. A more vivid OLED display that's both easy to see in full sunlight and power efficient, with a durable design that's water and dust resistant. iPhone went to film school, so you don't have to. Alright. Automatically create beautiful depth effects and focus transitions in your videos. Bring a new level of storytelling to the scenes you shoot. Totally advanced cameras, simply brilliant photos. A huge upgrade for better photos and videos, more light captured with the wide camera, sensor shift, optical image stabilization, and more detail in dark areas of your photos with the ultra wide camera. Raises the bar for battery life. A big boost in battery life you will notice every day. That means more time to watch, game, and do more of what you love, even on iPhone 13 mini. Speed boosting game, speed boosting camera, elevating power optimizing chip. A 15 bionic chip powers graphic intense games, and new camera features like cinematic mode and photographic styles. And it's more efficient, helping deliver longer battery life. No one does 5G like iPhone. Everything happens so much faster on 5G. It's fast enough for multiplayer gaming and more, and smart data mode automatically saves battery power when you don't need it at that speed. So that's nice. Specs on this phone, of course, it's an iPhone. It's gonna have the latest specs in terms of Apple's standards here. Usage time, video playback 17 hours, video playback streamed 13 hours, audio playback 55 hours. It has iOS 15 on board, so that's pretty nice. You guys will get like 5 years of iOS updates, so that's very nice. 3 storage options to choose from: 128 gigs, 256 gigs, or 512 gigs. The screen is a Super Retina XDR display, 6.1 inches, all-screen OLED display that's 2352 by 1170 pixel resolution at 460 ppi. It's also a world device which works in over 200 countries, depending on what plan you guys have. The depth is 0.30 inches. Colors you guys will have is Starlight, Midnight, Blue, Pink, and Product Red. The height of the iPhone 13 mini, 5.18 inches. There's your networks there. Front camera is 12 megapixels. Camera is dual 12 megapixels on the back. You have a wide angle and an ultra wide camera lens on the rear. The iPhone 13 mini weighs 4.97 ounces, so it's pretty light. I don't know if that's the actual weight of it, but if it is, that's insane. It does have a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, MagSafe wireless charging up to 15 watt, Q wireless charging up to 75 watts. The width is 2.53 inches. If you guys need help with your iPhone 13 mini, Verizon has you covered with that with device support. So Verizon wireless support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So let's go to check it out if you guys need help. So what comes in the box is nothing special, guys. It's pretty much your standard iPhone stuff now. Y'all guys get the iPhone 13 mini with iOS 15 on board, USB-C to Lightning cable, and your documentation. And that is it. There is no charging brick in the box because Apple did away with that last year. So yeah. So there you guys have it. The iPhone 13 mini is now here at Verizon Prepaid. It is currently out of stock right now. Hopefully they'll have it back in stock soon. So yeah, they have 3 storage options: 128 gigs, 256 gigs, or 512 gigabytes. And it seems like Verizon has like the cheapest prices on the iPhone 13s on prepaid, as far as I know. So that's pretty good, because usually Verizon really don't cut prices too much. But get an iPhone 13 for $700. That's a win. No contracts, of course. So you guys want to pay for this phone outright. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.